Dave app approval decisions are not guaranteed because eligibility depends on information connected to each user's account and application details. If you are checking your approval chances, the key is understanding what factors can affect a decision and what you can control before applying. By the end, you will know what approval reviews usually look at, why one person may get a different result than another, and what steps can help you prepare before using the app. The first thing to understand is that approval is based on your individual situation. Two people can use the same financial app and receive different outcomes because their account information and circumstances are not identical. The second thing to check is whether your account details are accurate and complete. Incorrect information can create problems during any financial application process. Review your information before submitting anything. Another factor is your overall account activity. Financial apps often review available information to determine whether a user meets their current requirements. Your approval result depends on the information available during the review process. A common mistake is assuming that another person's experience predicts your own result. Reviews from other users can show possible experiences, but they do not guarantee what will happen for your account. If you want to improve your chances, focus on the basics. Keep your account information updated, understand the EAPS requirements, and review any messages or instructions provided during the application process. It also helps to understand that approval rates can change over time. Companies can adjust their review process, requirements, or available features, so older experiences may not match what happens today. When checking whether Dave app is right for you, look beyond approval alone. Consider the available features, how the app fits your financial routine, and whether the service matches what you need. The main points are simple. Approval depends on your personal information. Preparation can prevent avoidable issues, and another user's result does not guarantee your own outcome. Your next step is to review your account details and check the current requirements before applying. If this guide helped you understand Dave app approval better, like the video and subscribe for more practical app explanations.